Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make some mango mini pancakes today. The ingredients you need is in the description below. You need yogurt, one mango, and 1 cup of pancake mix, and a vanilla extract, and hot water. First, put 1 cup of flour into the mixing cup, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then 1 baking yogurt. It's about 3/4 of 1 cup. 3 tablespoons of hot water, and mix them with 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Mix. Until it's all mixed together. Yeah, work it, girl. Until it looks like this consistency, it's ready to add to a squeeze cup with a spoon. Subscribe.